Alright, YouTubers, just a video. This is the second of the butterflies. I cut the down rope so it was a bit shorter so I could manage with it. While I had it down, I had some spare campies, so I threw the metal ones on there. This one has a little bit of bearing nose in the bottom bearing, so it might need to be replaced. Gave it some wet lithium, some WD-40, the whole works and everything. It works good. Just definitely a little bit of bearing noise. Let's go ahead and go in the low. This hand might be for trade or for sale. Only thing it won't come with is the bushing at top, because I only had one of them. There's your low speed. Let's go ahead and go up to a medium-ish speed. Somewhere around there, I'm guessing. Let's see what we found right next to. Like I said, these are cast iron motors with aluminum blades, so they're very fast. You can hear the bearing. Let me go over here. You can hear the bearing at the bottom a little bit. May have to be dry. I'm trying to get some WD-40 on there. Let's go ahead and go to high. Whoa. Man, oh man, that is a strong fin. That thing that blows more than the Emerson Stratojet. That's basically gold line level. Very fast, very powerful. That is for sure. Go ahead and spin now. I have 3 more fans to test today. DEMC, a R36, and 1886 still. If I do sell or trade this fan, I will, if you want, I will include the plastic canopy that came with it. This one just had the upper canopy, the bottom canopy was already long gone. But I can't make any promises it's going to make it. It's brittle plastic. It's very unlikely. As it is, the 2 canopies I have and the one I'm probably going to keep are both already, the bottom one's already gone. It's cracked and stuff like that, so I'm going to replace that. And the upper canopy I'm probably going to replace too. So, the one bad thing about these fans is they have plastic canopies. But the other thing, these are labeled Butterfly. I think Butterfly trademark, something like that. I've never heard of this brand. I don't know if anyone else has heard of this brand. Like I said, they're cast iron motors and hella good aluminum blades. There we go. Thanks for watching.